morning there everyone, and welcome to White Hart Lane railway station, home of Tottenham Hotspur football ground. And to kick things off, we see the departure of 7:10 114 and 7:10 115, working the 11:45 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street. Next up to pass through the station for Greater Anglia is 745 102, working 1 Bravo 45 from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. Arriving next into the station will be 7:10 121 and 7:10 125, working the 11:55 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Cheshunt. Following on his heels for Greater Anglia is 745 101, working 1 Bravo 58 from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport. Next out to depart is 7:10 118 and 7:10 129, working the 11:59 London Overground service from Enfield Town through to London Liverpool Street. Next up to pass through the station for Greater Anglia is 7:20 121, working 2H26 from London Liverpool Street through to Cambridge North. Whilst coming in the opposite direction for Greater Anglia is 7:20 135 and 7:20 131, working 2H25 from Cambridge North through to London Liverpool Street.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted. 24-hour CCTV recording is in operation at this station for the purpose of security and safety management.
Next up to pass through the station is 720-521 and 720-522, working 1 Bravo 47 for Greater Anglia from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. Arriving next into the station will be 710-110 and 710-126, working the 1209 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Enfield Town. Following quickly on his heels for Greater Anglia is 720-528 and 720-541, working 1 Bravo 60 for Greater Anglia from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport. And to take us to our next station, here comes 710-117 and 710-108, working the 1215 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.